All right, Laura, let's look into some of the key factors in running an office, okay?
Let's.
So when I say this, running an office, what comes to your mind? Well, I know you. It's power. It's all about power with you. In the current world, with the way we run our businesses and the way we rely on equipment, either at home or in offices, a power supply is a must, right? So then what do you do with power? You run the equipment and the operations. You also provide lighting and hopefully air conditioning in a hot place.
Yeah.
You use air conditioning to run your offices, run your data centers, etc. You have air handling units to circulate air to air conditioned rooms. Now, you would want to recirculate the air. You even pump water to overhead tanks. You require water so that people can work in the facility, right? Water is used to drink. It operates your canteen, toilets, things like that. So manufacturing units require water for industrial use.
Yes, and when you meet with a person or a group of people responsible for providing these important factors to run an office or establishment, they can tell you how much they enable running a place of business. Their operations get complex as the size of establishment grows and depend on the nature of the establishment. These are called internal support systems. They are assumed to be functioning and they are assumed to have proper plans to set up, operate, and maintain. So, to this list, you can add communication channels like phone lines, internet connectivity, and intranet connectivity, but this will be covered in a separate course.
All right, so when we talk about what support systems provide, we also need to consider a few other aspects. Now, for example, what if the power goes off for a day or a week or even a month, right?
Wow.
So what if power fluctuations are high and you cannot run your machinery? What if you don't have proper lighting in and around the facility? What is the impact of having disruption to air conditioning? And like we mentioned, what if water is not available? You would want to assess the impact in case an insufficient quantity or inadequate level of these supply services is provided. The impact could be minimal to extreme to an establishment. You may lose your business. You may go bankrupt or lose your reputation. So obviously the impact could be anything. And sometimes you don't even want to think about it,
Absolutely.
right? But we have to. You can if you have backup options in place. It will add to your costs, no doubt about it, but you decide based on the impact that you feel that your business can take.